Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font size in Outlook. We'll walk through the simple steps to personalize your email experience. You can easily adjust the font, its size, and even the color for all your outgoing messages. This ensures your emails are always presented exactly how you want them, making them more readable and professional for everyone who receives them. To start, open Outlook and click on the File tab in the top left corner. From there, select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Outlook Options window, click on Mail in the left-hand pane. Then, on the right side, you'll see a button labeled Stationery and Fonts. Click this button to open the Signature and Stationery dialog box, where we'll make our first changes. For developers with high-demand AI needs, JetBrains AI Ultimate steps up with 35 AI credits per month. This tier is perfect if you regularly leverage AI for complex tasks, extensive code generation, or frequent interactions with the Juni coding agent. While it can offer spectacular successes, it also provides more flexibility for those working across multiple editors or with a broader range of programming languages, making it a powerful option for diverse development environments. Once you've set your desired fonts for both new messages and replies or forwards, it's crucial to save your changes. First, click OK in the font dialog box. Then, click OK again in the Signatures and Stationery window. Finally, and this is important, click OK one last time in the main Outlook Options window. Your new default font settings will now be applied to all future emails you compose.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.